in all of your classes with your name in the top right corner, the date, and then the team along with the period. So that'll be in the upper right. Shannon?
Do we have to,
If you remember, go ahead and raise your hand. And then the address. This is the address of the school, 1525 31st Street Northwest. As you can see, they have street in capital letters as well as Northwest abbreviated. Yes, David?
so do we mail it to you?
No, no. No, it's just for you to put your own personal address up there. And the post office actually requires the addresses to be written this way. Okay, so up here you can see lane is capital LN, avenue, what, this one? Street.
Fuck what?
Okay, so that's in all capital letters with no periods. So that's how you'll write your address. And then along with the date. So Rochester will be fully spelled out, and September will be fully spelled out. And those two words will be in cursive as well. Okay, if you look at the lower left, the grading scale, this is the rubric. This paper is worth 10 points. 2 points for the correct format. Indentations, paragraphs, we'll be looking at the format of the letter. 2 points for neatly written cursive, once again in blue or black ink. 2 points for being informative. We want you to put more than just 3-word sentences. We need you to give us more detail about what you're telling us about. Yes, David?
Do we have to write the Northwest and then Minnesota in cursive, or?
No, no. Just Rochester and September appear are the only 2 words that need to be written in cursive. Yes.
So can we like print on the draft and then the final need to cursive?
Yes, the final is the only one that needs to be done in cursive. Okay, so, and 2 points for complete sentences. We will be looking at capitalization as well as correct punctuation. And 2 points for correct spelling. Okay, so that's how it will be graded. If you go ahead and turn over to the back. This outline is to assist you in writing this. And so what we've done is we've, for instance, your street number and street name, you'll be putting that on the lines. We've left them blank so you can fill those in. This is a rough draft that is due tomorrow. So you're going to be filling in the blanks. You're going to be turning it over and following this format. So this will look like this. Okay. The name, date, and team number and period, put those up just at the top. That's just something you always put on your assignments. These blank lines we've given you are where you will start with your address. Yes, ma'am.
For the date, do we write what the day that it's due, or is it right?
For today, this is just a rough draft. Go ahead and put today's date.
But on the final copy, you just
Yes, the date that it's due. Yes.
But as long, I mean, yes, try to put the 18th, that's when it's due, but it doesn't really, I mean, as long as you have the date there. Try to keep.
Emma, did you have a question?
So this is regional?
Well, this one here,
Yes. We're not going to, it's not so much, you know, how many sentences do I need. It's not so much the length of it. We're going to be looking at more of the content and the detail. You will, the salutation, what's the, raise your hand if you can tell me what the salutation is. What is the salutation of a letter?
Who you're writing it to?
Who you're writing it to.